Hello everybody, welcome back, Fumbler here. And yeah, today will be an entry video for Bende 500. So Bende is an amazing picker. He has the channel Bende Locksport and he recently reached 500 subscribers. Very well earned. And yeah, he picks really difficult locks and makes it look super easy. And the best thing is that he always takes them apart before picking, or most of the time he does it, and explains all the guts, what is inside there, and how he attacks and manipulates all the single pins. So yeah, I really like your style of videos, and these 500 subscribers is really well earned. So thank you very much for hosting this giveaway. And yeah, this will be my entry video to that. And for this, you asked us to pick a lock that we have not picked on camera. And for me, this will be this ISEO F6. I actually got the box here. I think this is somewhat original. F6 extra. Yeah, it has some drill protection and so on, but the main thing is it is a 6-pin lock. The bitting is rather nice on this one. Just here the 6-pin, yeah, the zero lift is in the end, but so it is. The keyway is also a bit nasty, but okay, it's not a Yale style, but different. Key works fine. I already gutted one side, so the video can be a bit shorter when gutting. So let's get this in a vise and get it picked, hopefully, for this video. So here we are back in the vise. Works just fine. And yeah, let's get a flat pry bar, which slots not in the very bottom of the keyway, but yeah, on top of the keyway, whatever, pin side, but a bit in the middle, but it works fine. And then actually a pick in 0.6 millimeters, the PN05, rather steep profile. And yeah, let's start picking. Starting from the back, something on 5, 4, nothing 3, something on 1. Okay, that was 3. Okay, something on 2. 3 again, 4, nothing on 5. Okay, yeah, let's try to set 2 a bit deeper. This is always making troubles. Yeah, this lock gave me quite some trouble, so I actually had to progressively pin it to learn it. And I'll show you why in a moment, if I can get it open at some point. Okay, some movement when I touched 1. Okay, some movement on 4. More movement on 5. Okay. I really have to reach down on 2 because yeah, it's just so deep in there. Just barely able to reach it with this steep hook. Yeah, but that took me quite some time to figure it out. Also the drivers are quite nasty. Let me show you in a second. But still, let's have a look at the effectiveness of the pins. So yeah, in 6, yeah, this is a zero lift, and let me put it this way, always from left to right. And here in 2, that is the tough one you really have to get into. And here goes the T-pin in. Let's have a look at one of these spools. Yeah, super nice. Actually, yeah, they are all the same. So they're not just spools, but they also have this tapering or the step on the top. So you need to pick them often twice, because they will just reset a bit. Let's have a look. Yeah. I mean, all the security pins except the one in chamber 6 must have been active. So super nice. I mean, the stacks are not balanced, but we should have gotten a good fault set. Maybe, I can't remember the binding order. Was I picking 5 in the end? I would have to check, but that would explain why we didn't get such a good fault set. Okay. Come on. Sorry. Even more sorry. And yeah, that was a nice speed cutting. That's pin 6. And all the other pins are here. I'm sorry. Only one chance to get it right. So we can leave a pin 6 in, because that must be right. That's pin 2. What is the key actually looking like? Okay, like the longer ones should go in here maybe. Nope. Damn it. Okay, there we go. Nope. Nope. I'm so sorry. So it must go here. Yep. Okay, now we got it right. Flush again. So one is standard, and in 5 and in 4 we have nice overset traps. Yeah, or I don't know if you would really call them overset traps, but some stepping. Besides that, yeah, nothing special to the core. The finish is a bit strange because it's just so rough, but the precision is really good, I guess, because yeah, not a lot of coarse lopping or so. So here are once again the pins. We have nice spools with tapered or stepped edges in 1, 3, 4 and 6. and in 2 and 5 we have nice T-pins. And for the key pins we have standard key pins except for the longer ones in 4, 5 and 6, where we have this step here to yeah, maybe catch oversetting. So yeah, sorry I messed up the gutting a bit. I hope you still liked the video and enjoyed watching it. Yeah, Bände, once again, congratulations to 500 subscribers. Amazing channel. I really appreciate your videos and enjoy watching them. And to everybody else, thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.